Simple, compound and complex sentences. Before we study this topic, there are two things we need to study, that is understanding the main clause and subordinate clause. Main clause is also known as independent clause and subordinate clause is also called as dependent clause. Main clause is a clause that can form a complete sentence standing alone, having a subject and predicate. In a sentence, a subject is generally the person or a thing that the sentence is about, and the part of the sentence that contains the verb and gives information about the subject is predicate. In these sentences, Ayan likes ice cream and Alina lives in Delhi. Here in the first sentence, Ayan is the subject and the remaining part, likes ice cream, is the information about the subject. In the second sentence, Alina lives in Delhi. Alina is the subject, lives in Delhi is the information about the subject. Looking closely at the main clause, we get to know that it can stand on its own. It gives complete meaning. It's an independent clause because it does not need any other phrase, any other sentence to give a complete idea. When we read the sentences, we exactly come to know what the sentence is telling us or what the information we get from this sentence. But that's not the case with subordinate clause, which is also called as dependent clause. Subordinate clause is a clause that cannot form a complete sentence. Looking at these examples, when Zian was 5, after Simran reads the lesson. In both these sentences, there is a subordinator which has come before the subject. When and after, these are subordinating conjunctions, and they no longer, like the sentences, no longer give a complete thought. They are incomplete, as if they are wanting more information to give a complete meaning, to give a complete sense to the sentences. The subordinate clause needs a main clause to give it complete meaning. So that's why it is called a dependent clause, because it depends on main clause. Alright? So moving further, we'll be studying about simple, compound and complex sentences in the next module. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and also visit my Facebook page, Learn with Afri.